In today's video, we will see how to cancel the T-Mobile plan, stop services and avoid extra charges. So first, how to cancel the T-Mobile plan, stop services and avoid extra charges. So to cancel your T-Mobile plan, you must contact the T-Mobile directly, as postpaid account cancellation usually cannot be fully completed online. Now, how to cancel your service. So choose one of the following official channel to request cancellation. The method 1, call customer service. So dial 611 from your T-Mobile phone or call 1-877-453-1304 from any phone to speak to a representative. Now, the method 2, visit a retail store. So go to an official T-Mobile store location to have a agent process your cancellation in person. Now you can find nearby T-Mobile store by visiting a find a store page and entering your location. The method 3, porting your number. If you are switching to another carrier and want to keep your current phone number, so do not cancel T-Mobile first. Contact your new provider to initiate a line port. This automatically closes your T-Mobile line once completed. Now, steps to avoid extra charges. So first one, pay off hardware. So T-Mobile does not charge the traditional early terminates fees, but any outstanding device payment plan, means EIP, or accessory financing will become due immediately upon cancellation. So print a prepaid shipping label from your T-Mobile account and drop off the gateway device at any authorized UPS location. Now ensure you return all cables and the router within 30 days of cancellation to avoid a non-return fee. Now return internet equipment. So if you are cancelling T-Mobile home internet, you must return a gateway device to avoid non-return equipment fees. So go to the devices tab on your online account to view outstanding equipment, the installment plans, means EIP, and submit a final payment. Any remaining device balance not paid upfront will automatically roll into your final bill upon account closure. Third one, check the billing cycle. T-Mobile generally charge for the remainder of your current billing cycle rather than the prorating the final month, and then time switch near the end of the billing cycle to maximize your paid services. So log into the T-Mobile app or website, then navigate to a bill, then bill pay section and view your current statement to find your cycle end date. Now alternatively call 611 to ask a representative for your exact billing cutoff date to time your cancellation perfectly. Now the fourth one, confirm cancellation. Keep all confirmation receipt, documents or interaction ID to provide by the representative as proof of your request. So goodbye and thanks for watching.